In this video, I'm going to show you how you can buy and store your Bitcoin or other cryptocurrencies in your blockchain account. I'm Louise Elizabeth and welcome to Every Bit Helps. I really hope you enjoyed this video today, and if you do then please give me a like, hit the subscribe button and share if you feel that others may benefit. Also, please do head over to my website at everybithelps.co.uk where a related blog post is also available. If you're interested in getting into Bitcoin or other cryptocurrencies and you're not too sure where to start, here is a beginner's guide for you today. And I'll show you this all over on blockchain.com today. However, I'll also create another video for those that are interested in using Coinbase. Blockchain is one of the oldest and most trusted wallets available, and they have an exchange platform which provides you with more advanced options. I'll be showing you two different methods to buy today using both blockchain's products. And I've got full beginner's guides for both of these, which I'll pop in the summary below. But I thought I'd take you through just simply buying today. And this video is under the assumption that you already have a wallet created within blockchain. So let's start over on the blockchain.com wallet. So if you want to buy your crypto quickly and easily within the blockchain wallet with euros or GBP, the first thing you need to do is select Buy Crypto. Then over on the right-hand side, you want to choose the type of cryptocurrency you'd like to purchase. And you can select from Bitcoin, Ethereum, Bitcoin Cash, Stellar and USD Digital. And from here, against each currency, it will show you the estimated price that you would be paying. And it's only estimated as the market could change between now and when you place your actual order. In this example, I'm going to be buying some Bitcoin today. And you can then type in the amount that you'd like to purchase, or you can select from the options available at the bottom here. So I'm going to purchase £20 of Bitcoin. Now, just to let you know, the minimum buy here is 5 of your chosen currency. So this could either be £5 or €5. And the maximum per order is 5,000, again in your chosen currency. Then there's also daily and weekly limits too, which will depend on your level of verification. Now I'm just going to click on to continue. However, if you're new, you will be asked to verify your identity to proceed with the order, and that may include uploading your photographic ID. Then once you're verified, you'll reach a checkout screen with the details of your order. So as you can see in here, it gives you an idea of the current exchange rate, it'll tell you your payment method, and the fees that are associated, which are 0. Now when you create an order on blockchain's wallet, you're actually creating something called a market order, which means that you're paying at the market rate. So although the fees are showing as 0, you could be purchasing at a slightly inflated rate for your Bitcoin. And I'll show you how you can potentially pay less for your Bitcoin shortly over on the blockchain exchange. And if you want to go ahead, you can click on to buy now. And it will then show you where you need to send your funds to. And as you can see here, it states that it may take up to 1 business day. Now please note that it also states here that only send funds from a bank account in your name. If not, your deposit could be delayed or rejected. And the reason why that has to be in your name is so that they can link your bank account across with your blockchain wallet. Then you'll need to securely transfer euros or GBP, whatever currency you're paying with, from your bank account across to blockchain.com using the details that are on screen. Your purchase is then pending until they receive the funds. Now, if this is the first time you're sending funds across from your bank account, you may be asked to send a small deposit across to link it up. Now I've now sent my funds across, so I'm going to click onto OK. And as you can see here, it states that once we receive your bank transfer, your buy order will complete. Now I've just received an email 1 minute later from blockchain.com informing me that my Bitcoin is now available. So now your purchase has now been completed and your Bitcoin is now stored safely within your blockchain.com wallet. So now I'll show you how to buy over on the blockchain exchange. And if you haven't already connected your wallet to the blockchain exchange, here's how. So if we go ahead and create a new account within the blockchain exchange, and you'll be prompted to enter an email address and a password. And you'll then be prompted to connect your wallet. And one thing to mention is that connecting your blockchain wallet is only possible during sign up, and you won't be able to do this later. Also, you will need to be gold level verified to deposit and withdraw fiat from the exchange, which just means submitting your government issued ID on top of the silver level verification requirements. So let's go ahead and connect up our blockchain wallet. And you can do this by scanning across a QR code or signing into your wallet. And as you can see, it's now come up with a success that you've connected your blockchain wallet to your exchange, and you can go back and finish signing up. So now we successfully connected those two. So as you can see, it's a really simple process to do. And you'll then be prompted to enter in a username. If I just click on to continue, and then I can start trading. Then once you're over on the blockchain exchange, you'll want some funds to trade with, so we need to deposit some. So if you head over to your username at the top here and click onto the arrow pointed downwards, then go down to portfolio. I'm going to be depositing British pounds, so I'm going to click onto deposit. And if I just click onto the drop down here, you'll see that you also have the option to deposit the likes of euros, Turkish lira and US dollars too. And these deposit currencies will obviously depend on your location. And again, the recipient name must match the account holder's name on your bank account for your transfer to be successful. So I'll go away, transfer some funds to my blockchain exchange. And I've just transferred £20 across to the exchange. So I've just refreshed my account and I've received an email from blockchain letting me know that those funds are now available. So we'll just head back to the trade screen. So once you have some fiat currency to buy with, we're all ready to go ahead and buy our cryptocurrency. So from the top here, by clicking onto the plus icon, you can choose your pairing. And in this example, I've got GBP and I want to exchange it to Bitcoin. But maybe you've got euros or dollars and you want to exchange for Ethereum or Bitcoin. Well, there's lots of different options in here too that you can purchase with. So now we've got that market selected, what we want to do is go ahead and go to buy on the right-hand side here. Then we want to type in the amount in Bitcoin that we'd like to purchase. And I'm going to purchase around £15 of Bitcoin today. Or alternatively, you can use the amount that's available to trade and it'll use up all of your available funds and fill it into the section at the top there. It then provides me with an estimated total now that I've typed that in, so that does work out to be about £15. And then you have your order types. So in here you have the option of a market, a limit, and a stop limit order. And I've got separate tutorials with explanations of all of these, which again I'll pop in the summary below. But for the purposes of this beginner's guide, I'm going to keep it simple and sell with a market order. However, if you did want to pay less than the market value and save yourself a bit of money, you could use something called a limit order and wait for the market to reach the price you'd like to pay. And there are different fees associated to different order types. So for this order, we're considered a taker of the market and we're going to be paying 0.24% for this trade. However, going back to our market order, when you're ready to do so, you can then click onto Place Bitcoin Order. You'll then be shown a confirmation of your order, so it'll tell me what type of order I'm placing, that's a buy order. It tells me the amount of Bitcoin. It tells me my symbol, which is Bitcoin, the GBP. It tells me my type of order, and then it tells me that my fee is going to be at 0.24% because I'm going to be a taker of the market. And then once you're ready to, you can click onto Submit Order. And that order will go through automatically and instantly. So if I go across to my username and go to History, it'll then give you some information with regards to your order. So it'll tell you how much you purchased, it'll tell you the market price it was purchased at, it'll give you some information with regards to the fee and tell you the date and time that it was filled. So now that we have our Bitcoin, what you want to do is you want to then store it securely back on your blockchain wallet, which I'm going to show you now. So if you go to your username again, down to Portfolio, then under Bitcoin, if you go to Withdraw, and because we've already linked our blockchain wallet, it can automatically send that across. So then you want to put in the amount that you'd like to withdraw and send across to your blockchain wallet. If you've got two-factor authentication, you'll then be prompted to use that. And then click on to Withdraw. And then as it states here, your withdrawal is being processed. It might take a few hours to confirm based on network activity. Now, as you can see from my blockchain wallet, the Bitcoin is now appearing within my balances. So that's how you can buy your crypto and store it over on blockchain's wallet. And I hope that you enjoyed this video today, and if you did, then please give me a like, hit the subscribe button, and share if you feel that others may benefit. Also, please do head over to my website at everybithelps.co.uk for more tips, reviews, and tutorials. Thanks, and I'll see you soon.